Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for this lovely and warm welcome. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Let's make some noise, everyone. Are you excited today? The feeling is completely incredible, everyone, and thank you so much for this warm welcome. Thank you so much. Love you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Please have a seat, everyone. By the way, I want to know who is he? कौन है ये? Nitu, who is he? Today I feel he is a teacher. I am a student. You look awesome today. You look dashing today. Randir. Let's clap for Randir, everyone. Be confident, stay happy, smile on your face. All the best. How are you, sir? Fine.
जो आपको पता है और एक हुआ जो आपको आज पता होने वाला है. One book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
My seniors, my juniors, and your excellency invited ma'am and my dear friends. We all have gathered here to celebrate the wonderful day that the best profession in the world that can be expected. Today is on the auspicious day of Teachers' Day. We would express our gratitude to all the teachers of Oxford Institute and all over the world.
Let's make some noise, everyone. We have three beautiful teachers with us too. They are our wonderful teachers, two from online, one from Kusum ma'am, the head of this coaching and the most senior person of this institute. Clap for all of them. How do you all feel today, everyone? For real? But I never expected there would be the warm welcome and you would be so planned. For real? I'm not going to even imagine that. I was saying to my Akram, Ravi and everyone that the morning session was completely amazing because I was not told, even I was not intimated, and the session of the morning was completely unexpected. What they planned and everything was completely outstanding. Then they told me, sir, wait for the evening. This is going to be more exciting, more interesting and more unbelievable. So let's clap for everyone for their efforts and for their incredibility. I want to know who all planned this function and all. Raise your hands. Who all are in the part of this function? Raise your hands. Complete class. Are you also the part of this? First day. Oh my God, sounds bad. First day. Who all are having their first day? Raise your hands, please. Jesus Kach, first day. Raise your hands quick. Muskan, first day. Is it first day? First day. You two are having first day. And yours? Not counting. But guys, I'm so lucky because मैंने अपनी लाइफ में क्या फोकस करा है. मैं जहाँ कहीं भी देखता हूँ मुझे पैसा मिलता है. जहाँ कभी मतलब मेरी नजर जाती है पैसा मिलता है. अभी मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मैं नीचे देखूँगा मुझे पैसा दिखेगा. देखो. Oh my God, amazing. 500. So, can you see guys this example? मैं जहाँ कहीं भी देखता हूँ मुझे पैसा दिखता है और ये देखो 500 rupees before. So guys, whose money is this? Fine everyone. पैसे की वैल्यू करना चाहिए, right everyone? चलिए. So guys, let's get ready for exciting day and for interesting day. I want to ask you one thing. Why do we celebrate this Teachers' Day? Because Shri Ram came from वनवास. मुझे मॉर्निंग में बताया गया था कि आज कृष्ण जी का जन्म हुआ था. Is this? ये भी नो है. आज मिस्टर मोदी प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनकर 2014. Then why do we celebrate this day? Anniversary of? Birth anniversary of? You are missing out something. Radha Krishnan? No. That is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I guess he became also the CM of Delhi. Do you remember this? ये पता है आपको? किसी को नहीं पता? ये कुछ रह चुकी है पॉलिटिक्स में भी. Anybody has any idea? He has been president of. पता है आपको ये बात? ये do you know about it? First president, second president, third president. Are you sure? And he became first vice president of. Do you know about it? आपको पता है इसके बारे में? Okay, I want to know इनका बॉर्न कब हुआ था? In 19th century, 18th century, 17th. बॉयज के चेहरे हमेशा देख लो, हमेशा डाउन रहते हैं. गर्ल्स आर ऑलवेज एक्टिव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस और टू पार्टिसिपेट, बट बॉयज गूगल कर रहे हैं. बॉयज विल बी ऑलवेज बॉयज हैप्पी. सो ही वाज बोर्न इन 1888. और व्हेन डिड ही बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? एनी आइडिया? 1962. Randhir will tell. Randhir, yes. Randhir will tell. Randhir, when he became the president of India? Anybody has any idea? No idea. He became the president of India in 1962. The president of India and vice president of India 1952. Fine everyone. So I hope you're all set for the class. आज हम क्या बात करेंगे ग्रामर टॉपिक्स की, जो हमारे डू, डिड एंड विल. ओके एवरीवन, ग्रामर नहीं पढ़नी आपको आज? रेडी एवरीवन? स्टार्ट करेंगे इस ग्रामर क्लास. कट द केक फॉर व्हाट? पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है एवरीवन आज? चलेगा इस वोकैबुलरी. हाँ, पढ़ाई नहीं. क्लैप फॉर रणधीर एवरीवन. आई थॉट सो. आपने नोटबुक्स क्यों कैरी की हुई है फिर? ये तब की तालियों में दम नहीं आता. 1 2. लेट मी कंप्लीट रियली. 1 2. लेट मी कंप्लीट थर्ड. ओके 1 2. 1 2 3. Amazing everyone. Now let's cut the cake and all you are requested to be the part of this lovely ceremony. Please gather here over here. Please gather everyone. Come here everyone. Come closer. Quick everyone. All are requested to come closer. Quick everyone. Come closer. Fast. Thank you so much everyone once again. Clap. speechless. Guys, right now I'm completely speechless. And thank you so much for this warm welcome and for this lovely gifts and all. Thank you so much once again, Rona, Gurdeep, Sonina, and everyone.